Hi everybody, we're going to review the NTONPOWER USB surge protector that's found on Amazon today. So let's open it up and see what's this all about. It comes like this in a box. There's this thing and some manuals that we need to look at later on, and a warranty card, I'm assuming, and introduction and whatnot. So let's take a look at this device and see what this is all about. It comes sealed with plastic and it has a plastic wrapper around it, as you can see, and it's a standard US plug socket connection. Comes with 3 standard USB connections, 2 standard US power connections. It's about 1 3/4 inch in height and about, let's see, 6.5 inches long. So if you look at it, the plug is on one end. The rating on this on the USB ports are 2.4 amps max, which with total of 5 volts, 3 amps max. And let's see what else. When plugged in, it looks like this on an outlet. It's kind of cool. It has a little LED on this end right here, while the USB indicator, I think it's because it's a USB indicator. So it's cool to see something that's enabled or lit, so you know it's plugged in and powered. So far for what it is, it's a good deal for what it provides you. 3 sockets at 2.4 amps, 3 USB sockets, and 2 USD sockets. Allows you to plug in your appliances. Yeah, they're not rated that high from my understanding, so I wouldn't put that much power through it. It's for your like chargers and whatnot, and I think it's a good deal for what it provides. It's really sturdy. It's built in a good quality fashion, and it looks nice, and it plugs into a strip and it goes sideways, so it looks nice. Overall, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 for what it provides. With more usage, I'll give a better update on it. But however, just given the fact that it looks nice, it's decently priced, its build quality is good, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 just for the usage and whatnot. What I would think it should provide more, it's a little bit more USB sockets. I mean, they're more useful now in the modern days than the US sockets, or just general sockets that you use. If it was 5 of them, I'll be ecstatic because it gives you enough to charge. Because I have every device that I have. I mean, we have everything from phones, watches, batteries, iPads, tablets, and you just need more. I'm gonna use this for my traveling needs when I go to work and whatnot. So it's cool. I like it a lot. Well, good luck to you. Thank you, and take care.